आज मैं ऊपर आसमान नीचे. Why am I singing this song? Equity markets are at an all-time high. Closure on 44,000 if you would ask me. What does one do? What is the strategy that one needs to adopt? Should I redeem everything that I have in equities? Should I book profits? What do I do? I'm completely confused here, and I'm sure most of you are. Well, lot many people and that many more ideas. What are the ideas that I have for you? My name is Rajesh Chatangdi, your Shubchintak. Stay invested to find out more as to what we can do at this point of time. अरे मार्केट क्या करता है राजेश? It is so simple, isn't it? अभी 44,000 है. So what you need to do is that completely redeem, profit booking कर ले, कल हो ना हो. Don't you think so? मेरा जितना भी इन्वेस्टमेंट है ना, मैंने उसके अंदर प्रॉफिट बुकिंग कर लिया. किसको पता वापस ये प्रॉफिट आएगा नहीं आएगा. लास्ट 3 years हैज बीन बैड इन इक्विटी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. व्हाई नॉट मेक प्रॉफिट्स एंड सिट बैक, रिलैक्स, आराम करो, गोवा जाओ, हॉलीडे मनाओ. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? Isn't this a simple option? What different are you going to tell me or your audience? Nothing. What do you think? Isn't this a better strategy? Redeem or else at least profit booking तो कर लो यार. Profit booking करके ऐश करो. जितना प्रॉफिट हो गया मजा करो, हॉलीडे मनाओ. समझा अभी? It is as simple as that. आप बोलो सही बोल रहा हूं ना? Am I wrong or anything like that? You carry on with Rajesh. He has, I guess he has different thoughts. You carry on with Rajesh. I will see you on the other side or maybe on some other video. Bye for now. Well, I have some other thoughts. Let's go by the rationale as what he said. Why not do profit booking? Isn't it? It's as simple as that. And it's such a nice word to hear. And most of us have heard about it. And I've always been tempted to do profit booking. Wow. Profit booking यानी इतना अच्छा लगता है सुनने के लिए. I have a scenario, and if I think on his lines, forget about the holidays. I do some profit booking and I keep the money in the savings bank, in my bank. मैं fixed deposit नहीं करूँगा. I will not go on a holiday. I will not purchase any asset. No motorcycle, no car, nothing at all. No spending money. I'll just keep it into my savings account and just wait for the opportune time to reinvest that same money into the markets. To be frank, let me ask you a question. मैंने पैसा सेविंग्स बैंक में रखा. You really feel that the money is going to stay into that account for long? My experience, my personal experience says the money kept in a savings account doesn't remain there for too long. It develops wings. It tends to fly. And I'm not talking about splurging that money. I'm just saying there could be some or the other expense that will come and that money gets used up. What is your experience? Let me know in the comments box. If I keep that money in a savings account, the second option would be to time the market. But tell me, in the last so many years, how many times have you got the timing right? The best of equity investors do not time the market. Yes, of course, they look at opportunity times. But then, do we really have the bandwidth to look at the markets and invest? When the markets come down, we wait for the markets to still keep going down. When the markets go up, we want the markets to keep going up. What is the level that we actually think is the right time to either come out, exit of the markets, or maybe enter the markets? We are not experts here. So let us not look at profit booking according to him. According to me, there are 2-3 things that we can do at this point of time. First of all, let's not time the market. The equity markets, remember, started at 100. The Sensex today is 44,000. It is bound to go up. But yes, in the time being, you will have volatility. But then just because it's reached 44,000 doesn't mean one needs to do profit booking. That's of course my personal belief. If at all I have a goal in and around this tenure, I obviously need to take some actions on that front. because I need to provide for some monetary support for that particular life stage. But what if there is no such goal at all? Should I just do profit booking because the markets have reached 44,000? Let's take a hypothetical example. I have some of the mutual fund portfolios, out of which some of the funds are doing extremely well. I have close to around ₹1,00,000 in two of the funds which are in profit. What do? According to him, I need to remove and do profit booking. Assume करते हैं profit booking हमने कर दिया, two funds ₹1,00,000 each, the profit I remove. What do I do now? That ₹2,00,000 I would be tempted, I don't know about him, but I would be tempted to either keep it into a fixed deposit. But then मैं सोचता हूँ कि fixed deposit का interest rate कितना होगा आज? For a year, I think State Bank of India gives close to around 5%, 5.5%. Let me know what that interest rate of fixed deposit is for 1 year. What are the other options that I have in front of me? Maybe buy a two-wheeler, motorcycle. आजकल इतने सारे motorcycles are been launched. Why not take a swanky, nice-looking motorcycle? Or maybe just make a down payment and buy a nice car. What do you think? Where should I spend that particular money? Where should I reinvest? Well, that is what I am coming to, because there is a risk of reinvestment. Second point that I want to bring forth is that I am talking about looking at the deadwood. Probably this is the best time for us to remove deadwood. If those funds have not performed in the last 2 years, 3 years or 4 years, there might be in all probabilities a chance that it will never perform in the future. So why not remove that particular money and reallocate and strengthen your nice portfolio, your strong portfolio, and make it stronger. Another idea that I want to bump off is that look at your life insurance products. Probably over the last many years, you would have taken some ULIP, which is of no good. You would have been into some traditional plans, which doesn't give you too much of life insurance cover on you. Why not look at all of that? Probably you might be at a break even or slightly profits as well. Why not remove that particular money? These are couple of ideas that I wanted to bring forth to you. Whenever markets go up, it is for a reason, and markets will continue to go up. If you see, the Sensex started at 100 and today we are at 44,000. So ideally the graph is northwards and it will remain this way as well. But in the short term, in the interim time, there are volatilities that we have to overcome. Just because it's gone at 44,000 doesn't mean that it will not go at 50. But then all of your portfolios, all of your investments have to have a goal. Just imagine a fruit bearing tree. Just because it has started to give me fruits, should I just cut all those stems and branches? Think about it. The idea is to think big. The idea is not to think small. The idea is to create wealth. The idea is not to make these small little adjustments and timing the market. Today is the time, according to me, is the time to actually remove deadwood. Look at your portfolios, take our help, look at those particular portfolios, your mutual fund schemes, your life insurance products, which are not fetching you the kind of returns that you are expecting. It is time to remove them and not to do profit booking. It is time to strengthen your portfolio because times ahead are going to be positive. Times ahead are going to be optimistic. And it is time that we stay optimistic on our portfolios and remove all of that deadwood and be lighter on our portfolios. Tell me, how did you like my idea? Tell me whose idea did you like most, mine or his? Let us know how have you liked this video. In case you have, please consider liking and subscribing to the video, and do share this particular video to your near and dear ones as well as your friends and colleagues. This is Rajesh Atangadi, your Shubh Chintak. Till next Thursday with yet another video. Guru Gurwar.